Welcome to the magical world of our animal friends. Let's meet four amazing pals: Ellie the elephant, Finn the fish, Denny the deer, and Benny the bird. In this magical forest, Ellie the elephant lives happily with her family.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ellie, the elephant. Our family loves exploring and playing in the cool shade of the tall trees.
Meet Finn the fish, who lives in the sparkling river.
Hi there, I'm Finn the fish. I live in this beautiful river with my fishy friends, enjoying the water and all its wonders.
Denny the deer grazes peacefully in the sunlit meadow.
Hello, everyone. I'm Denny the deer. This meadow is my home, where I nibble on sweet grass and leap joyfully.
And high up in the trees lives Benny the bird, singing sweet songs.
Greetings, I'm Benny the bird. I build nests and sing songs to make the forest come alive with music.
Ellie, Finn, Denny, and Benny are all great friends and enjoy each other's company. They meet and greet, sharing stories about their homes and adventures. And so, in this wonderful world of animal friends, they remind us to appreciate our homes and celebrate friendship.